So basically, what we would like to achieve in terms of yung mga gender goals natin is una yung women's empowerment. Nabanggit ni Rio, ni Mr. Rio kanina na talagang babae pa rin, yung pinaka-focus pa rin ng maraming gender issues sa atin and gender-based violence. Although we are not disregarding and dismissing the possibility also and the fact, kasi may baseline data na nga na binanggit, na marami rin naman na din, lalo na sa mga kabataang lalaki na inaabuso. Pero yung pa rin, no, nandun pa rin tayo sa status na mas babae pa rin talaga yung apektado in terms of magnitude and scale ng gender-based violence. So we would like to, we hope to achieve yung women's empowerment. No? We would like to help women, facilitate women's informed decision-making, that they would have that they would realize and develop their capacity to decide for themselves and have control over their lives, no? Especially on matters that affect them and will ensure their quality of life, no? Na hindi na lang basta secondary sila, subjugated sila, they're just waiting for anyone to give them the benefits of development perspectives, pero kasama sila dun sa proseso. They are involved because as people, it's our basic right, it's women's right to become involved in any decision-making and development process. Because we believe that everyone has the potential to contribute to the society. And of course, yung gender equality na lagi naman nating binabanggit yan, it's not just about 1:1 or 50-50. Although that's a good measure then, and it has been indicated in the gender equality target for MDG and somehow in the SDG, no? Pero maliban doon sa pagkakapantay-pantay na in terms of numbers, ang isang gusto rin natin when we talk about gender equality is in relation to gender justice, no? Yung makatarungan, fair and just na treatment at pagtingin sa mga babae, sa mga lalaki, and yun nga na-introduce na ni Rio kanina, na LGBTQIA++. No? So gusto sana natin na ganun yung makuha natin ng mga goals in relation to gender, yung pagkakapantay-pantay at makatarungan, no? Na pagtingin. Lalo meron naman tayong mga batas patungkol dito, which I will discuss further later on. And of course, this will not just actually benefit women, but when we address women's and gender issues, we are actually addressing societal issues in general, and the society can benefit from these processes and programs. So hindi lang to pang-babae lang, although yun nga, because of the circumstances and the reality that women are still the more affected and implicated against by the gender-based violence, sila talaga yung isa sa mga main focus natin sa ating ginagawang advocacy on God. And of course yun, mawala ang discrimination and ma-address yung karahasan laban sa mga kababaihan at pangkalahatan.